Hi, this is Kazuyo. In this lesson, you learn how to assemble a rounded canteen bag with a gusset and piping. We'll add short handles, a layered zipper closure, and most importantly, you learn a special technique to connect a long shoulder strap to a ring and tab. Let's get started. Use the sewing tool to attach the gusset to the front and back. Avoid sewing the gusset bottom joint yet, that comes later. Apply strengthen to the body and gusset. Set the particular distance to 5 for smoother result. Then activate zero gravity in simulation property to control movement. Turn on simulation and view from the side. Right-click the internal gusset line and choose Cut and Sew. Repeat on the other side to form the zipper collar. After set to 0 intensity at 3D Seamline, select the gusset edge line and apply around 46% curvature. Resolution 6. For a turn edge, look layered over the zipper collar. To enhance the overlap effect, increase the gusset additional thickness rendering to 1.5 to 2 millimeters. Then sew the lower strap end together to complete the full connection.